got a haircut yesterday.
Yep.
Who cut it?
Katy cuts.
You don't want to show me the back, huh? You know, it's not perfect. Oh no. For some reason it shows more on a phone. You know what I mean? Like,
Check
you know,
this out. I've had worse cuts.
you've had worse haircuts?
Yeah. From my current barber, too. He knows it. Remember that time? Remember?
You remember when you got up and I was like, oh wait, hold on a second?
Yeah, every barber does
Every
that.
barber does that. The side looks good though, like whatever's going on the side.
It all looks quarantine great.
Yeah.
It's a quarantine A. I'm down for you to cut my hair like once every quarantine.
Mornos, you guys. It's still Mornos. I'm finishing my set of press-on nails. So last night I started my left hand, but about, I don't know, an hour into it, I decided to chop them off short. And I missed, my nails are so short, my natural nails, I missed not hearing this noise when I was texting, so I just cut them off. And the idea of trying to fold laundry with these long press-on nails just did not sound like the business, and I need to do some laundry today. So I decided to cut them short, but what I like about it, it just makes my nails feel really thick, kind of like I have dip on or something. I think cutting them short will drastically reduce the probability of them popping off really quickly. Let me just tell you guys, I got clutch nails from my Target order. This is the pink ombre set. So the thing with these ones is that I really have to file down the sides to fit my nail bed, which I guess is fine. It just ends up taking a really long time. I did get this other set. Let me show you. This is from Kiss Nails, which a lot of you guys recommended Kiss brand on my Instagram post. So I think I'm gonna try these ones next. These ones have a bit of a smaller nail bed and they're just short in general. These are called real short length. I'm about to go hit the fitness studio, which has some exciting new additions since I filmed my putting together the fitness studio vlog. We've got a few new things that came in and I've been getting some really good workouts in there. And calling it the fitness studio makes me want to work out more in there. So whatever works is whatever works. Gonna do some laundry, clean up and tidy around the house. It's raining pretty hard right now and it's been raining the past few days, which, you know, extra mud for the dogs. I've been cleaning a lot of muddy paws. So there we go. I mean, it's pretty cute, right? This is literally my first time doing press-ons in, I can't tell you how long. I've actually been a little bit more motivated to cook this week than I was last week. Last week was definitely spicy ramen, macaroni and cheese kind of week, but this week I'm putting a little bit more effort into what I'm putting into my body. So I'm feeling better. Overall, this week has been just going a little bit better besides my sleeping. I don't know about you guys, but I can't fall asleep at night, which has been really annoying. I wake up a lot if I do fall asleep and then I wake up at 5. So my sleep schedule has been really weird and I keep trying to adjust it, but it's been very difficult for me. So I don't know if you guys are feeling the same way. I also read an article today that said people are having very vivid dreams right now, which I have noticed, especially in the past 4 nights. My dreams, I wake up and I'm that blinking eye gif, you know, that's me. When I wake up in the morning, I'm like, did that just happen? My manicure is almost done. This is actually great. I love this. This is great for me. And I brought my nail salon to the living room. I don't know why. So I just brought a desk in my living room so that way I could hang out with everybody, watch whatever we're watching at the time while I'm doing this. And you know what? It worked. It made me actually want to do it. So that's something weird that I don't think I would have normally done in this situation. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do right now.
So first one, we got the mountain climbers, the sliders, station, gear, good stuff, and then try not to go too crazy with it. Take more lose control, focus on navigation. You guys enjoy your day. If you want to do it again next week, let me know.
All right, sounds good, John. Thank you.
All right, take care, guys.
Bye. Another round in the studio.
Fucking tired, dude. I'm tired.
Should we go learn how to moonwalk?
Is it something you can just learn?
So right foot up, left foot slide.
That's not the moonwalk. That's the moonwalk, right?
Yeah, right foot up.
You do it. I'm embarrassing it from my friends.
Look at what my mom got, you guys. The majestic Matterhorn. She gives us, when we drop off groceries, she'll leave a bag out front with little goodies. The Majestic Matterhorn puzzle. When was the last time you did a puzzle?
Well, this is 1,000 pieces. I don't think I've ever done one this complex before.
This is intense. I'm actually excited to do this though. This sounds fun.
You know, every time I make something,
Right.
I feel like I should open up a restaurant for that thing.
Last night we made this, which is it's a little weird. Ground beef with cauliflower, like sauteed ground beef with onions, cauliflower.
So we're just eating that for breakfast? Is that breakfast, just microwaving some leftovers?
Well, it's 1:30, so. I have you on the vlog right now. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. I
Where'd
see.
you get those?
When we went to the store the other day,
Wow.
they had a pack left. She just said must be nice. Did you hear that?
Yeah, must be.
Well, I was gonna ask you what temp I should cook it at, but I have a feeling you don't want to tell me.
No, I think you should just wing it.
Wow. Maybe I'll bring you some. Maybe I'll bring you some.
Thanks for asking me if I wanted any.
Oh, Cran, the dude.
You ever regret calling somebody?
You ever regret calling somebody?
You ever regret answering the phone?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a lot of like anger from you right now, and it's not really what I was expecting on this call. But at least we're getting the real you this time instead of, you know,
Media trained Cran.
media trained Cran. Yeah.
No, I'm thinking you went to Costco and didn't tell me.
You kind of you came at me hard and you came at me fast.
Well, you know, it's day 27.
Is it really day 27?
Pretty close, yep.
Wow. Can I just tell you guys, the first time Cran used the Instant Pot, let me just tell you what she did. You know this little insert? Yeah, she didn't use that. You hear her cackling? She just threw straight raw chicken boob in here, directly onto the heating element. Why is it smoking so much? Is it supposed to be smoking this much? I'll tell you what, Cran.
What?
I'll trade you some carnitas for some beans.
And
Cooked.
cake. And
Cooked.
cake.
And cake.
And
And
cake.
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 Cooked
Cooked.
beans.
Yeah, they have to be cooked. That's the
Well-
that's the deal. That's the trade.
And the cake has to be cooked.
Cake
to
has to be cooked.
milk, if you can. Do we have a deal?
Do we have a deal? And wait for it. In good faith, I'll throw in a spicy ramen. 1 pack.
I tried to get some of that, and
It's hot item.
but it is on the list. They do have it. They just didn't have any right
Oh,
now.
we
Well, I
have it.
have it right now.
Wow.
So if you're looking for a deal,
Just say it.
give me the beans
And the cake.
and the cake.
We'll give you a dog too.
She's
if you're
getting
interested.
quiet. She's
Right.
getting quiet.
Which dog would you
She's
like?
getting quiet.
Throw
I
in
think
the
she's
dog.
getting a little nervous.
No,
Throw-
I'm trying to think about all these things you've just asked me to make.
My little chom chom. I got this idea from Christy, Raw Beauty Christy. It is a pet hair remover. Turb always lays up against the couch right here. And all she has to do is think about touching the couch. And it's everywhere. So I just, you know, boom, it's all gone. We chom chom it up. And I have one just for the couch.
So that shit works based on friction, just so you guys know.
Yeah, you gotta really like,
It's like the more aggressive you are with it, the better.
take it, please. Like my right arm is sore now from doing the whole couch. I got so much shit last week because my vacuum has a cord on it. I just want people to know, like, you made me feel bad for my vacuum cleaner choices. I've always wanted a Dyson, I just haven't pulled the trigger yet. I vacuum a lot, especially now, the dogs being home all the time, not leaving their hair anywhere else. Yeah, dude, there's dog hair everywhere.
What solution are you using?
Simple Green. I did order, I don't know if you guys have heard of it, Force of Nature. Force of Nature, it's like, because I haven't found any type of antibacterial stuff anywhere, like in my area. And I don't go like, I'm not looking every day, you know. Try to avoid going out as much as possible, but I haven't been able to find any stuff like that. I've been using like my Clorox cleanup, which has bleach in it, which is great and all, but you know, it's got bleach in it, which is kind of hard to use sometimes. So I got this stuff called Force of Nature, and you kind of like make it at home. It's you use water and then they have little packets of solution, but supposedly it actually kills bacteria just like bleach. I don't know, I'm excited for that to come in. I'm gonna start using that to clean pretty much everything. I am curious if anybody else has tried Force of Nature. That's stuff.
They used to call me that in college.
They used to call you that in college. Okay. It's weird because I don't remember that. I don't remember that. Do you remember that? Just like a little quick cleanup makes me feel much better. In case anybody is thinking about it, don't ever get a coffee table made of stone. How much do you think this thing weighs?
Probably around 250 pounds.
It weighs more than 200 pounds?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
So let's see, for Christmas we do it because we scoot everything over. And then also like just cleaning the rug when I want to do like a really good deep vacuum. Or pretty much, you know, whenever we have to move it, like we literally have to do like a full-on deadlift. Like
Yeah,
I have to get out my gloves, my lifting gloves. It's ridiculous how heavy this coffee table is, and for what? Like for what?
So right now, this is Katy's office. We're turning it into the podcast studio. We're gonna move the desk there, add a ton of light. We have what we have. It's not everything that we have, but we're gonna make it work.
So I chopped up some stuff for my mom. We've got some of the pork at the bottom, some queso fresco, an onion here, and then some cilantro. So we're gonna go drop it off at her house. Maybe she'll stop whining, eh?
Hopefully she got a cake.
Hopefully there's a cake on the doorstep. But we're gonna go run that errand, and then I think we're ready to film our podcast after that, right?
That's correct.
Makeup didn't happen today, neither did showering, but that's okay. It's only 1,700 hours right now. I thought it'd be like way later than that.
What do you think that is in real time?
It's 5:07, dude.
You didn't know that.
Are you kidding me? It's so easy. Just subtract 2. Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you it doesn't make me think for a second every single time.
What's 2130?
Oh, I don't like that one. I don't like 2130. I don't like 2130. It's too hard. So you have to do 21 minus 10, which is 11, and then minus 2, 10, 9.
930.
It's 9:30.
Bring dinner. Oh, how sweet. Want some beans?
I'm not gonna make them.
Not ever.
Probably not.
Just put them in a crock pot with water.
Toss them to me.
Water and lard.
Toss them to me. Oh, Taz.
Like I miss you.
She's pouting. Bye, Taz.
Do you have the girls?
No, they're at home.
Oh, do you want the pesto?
Sure, why not?
I keep forgetting.
Getting a little wet here, Cran. Getting a little wet here. Got the beans. Got the beans, baby. It's kind of cold outside. You ready to go home? All the way back home? There was no cake, which I thought was interesting.
There were beans though.
There were beans. We got the beans.
Uncooked.
I know. She was like, do you want beans? And I was like, Cran, I'm not going to cook them. I can't make them like you do. She didn't really pick up that I was kind of like, I'll pick them up cooked, you know?
All right, podcast is a wrap. Katy finally got that shower in that she hadn't done yet.
No hair washing though.
Had some special guests on the podcast: Jen Atkin, Mike Rosenthal,
Desi and
Stephen Perkins, Desi Perkins, me, Katie.
Me.
It's lit. Katie just told me we don't have any fucking tortillas here.
I forgot to ask Francis.
Is that a wrap on today's vlog?
It's a wrap.
Our new life. Here we are. Bangs looking good. Haircut by Katie.
No brows over here.
Is that Stephen and Desi?
Loving the room tone that we're getting here.
The room
Should I
tone?
get closer to it?
Yeah, I'd like to include it.
So, whoop.
Clean up, everybody clean.
Chirp, do you have something you want to say?
Well,
You?
yeah, let's talk on the mic.